Have you ever noticed how a walk in the forest can feel like a reset for your entire being? It's not just in your head. Nature is, and always has been, the ultimate energy cleanser. Think of the world we live in. It's filled with digital noise, demanding schedules, and complex relationships. This creates a form of energetic static, heavy, stagnant frequencies that cling to our own energy fields, leaving us feeling drained and foggy. Now step into a natural environment. A forest doesn't just absorb carbon dioxide, it absorbs chaotic energy. The trees, the flowing water, the very earth beneath your feet, they are all grounded. They aren't processing emotion or thought, they are simply being. This creates a powerful, stable frequency of pure presence. When you enter that field, your own energy seeks to match it. The chaos within you begins to settle. The gentle, rhythmic sounds of nature, a stream, the wind, act as a sonic cleanse, breaking up that stagnant energy. The negative ions from moving water and plants literally elevate your physical and energetic state. You aren't just escaping to nature, you are returning to a fundamental source of cleansing and recalibration. It's the most accessible, powerful tool we have. So the next time you feel the weight of the world, remember, your cleanse is waiting. Just step outside.